Umindirang ba kadalaw Conrad kisangma haka arpusantri unai wing ulaya kendu ya Justice Arun Kumar Mishra ubadai chairperson jangka National Human Rights Commission Udavendra Kumar Singh ubadai Secretary General but Rajiv Jain ubadai udkhot jangka National Human Rights Commission. Hakani kajing kendu umindirang ba kadalaw la ai da kajing thok kababnia how Justice Arun Kumar Mishra but haki wei pat kidkhon ka National Human Rights Commission Halor ka Jingshah ya siat hapo Mukroh hakabaw lapan pawru how Justice Arun Kumar Mishra ba ka ni ka Jingshah ka long bai ka Jingbam Pynkheiñ ya ka long Briew man Briew. Kumtaw lapan ka Jingkershan na kalyang jongki but ula banjur badan kam ka Jing pesngau thu khamtam ya kitanat pulen giba pet haki khaput khnang ba kum kini ki Jingshah ba shat khat ai ka Jing Briew kanam ja hakinu kinu ki benta jongkari.
We just met the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission along with the other members, and we have apprised them about the incident that happened in Mukroh village, West Jingshah Hills in Meghalaya, about the fact that how the Assam police had fired on the civilians and on the public in that village, which led to 6 people losing their lives. And we explained and expressed about how this was a very inhuman act and a complete violation of human rights. And we have apprised them about the entire actions that have been taken and the fact that CBI inquiry will take place. And we have asked for their support in this entire matter and also requested them to take necessary action from their side, as this is a clear case of human rights violation. We have also asked them that in the future these kind of incidents should not be repeated, and hence proper sensitization needs to be taken and done in terms of the forces that are there in different parts of the border areas, especially the sensitive areas, so that future these kind of incidents where innocent lives are lost does not happen ever again in any part of the country, for the matter of fact. So these are the points we discussed with them, and I thank the chairperson and the members for the time, and again I request them that they will take necessary action from their end, and I hope that we will see positive results from it.